Ever wondered why the sky is blue or why a cold soda bottle sweats on a hot day? Science isn't just in a lab, it's happening all around us every single second. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're testing your knowledge with 15 everyday science and physics questions. Some are easy, some might trip you up. And at the very end, I have a bonus question that I want you to answer in the comments below. Ready? Let's dive in. Here is the first question. You drink it every day and it covers 70% of the earth. What is the chemical formula for water? The options are CO2, H2O, NaCl, O2. The answer is H2O. Water is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Here comes the next one. What invisible force keeps your feet on the ground and prevents you from floating into space? The options are momentum, friction, magnetism, gravity. The correct answer is gravity. Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws objects towards its center. Third question is, when sunlight hits raindrops at just the right angle, how many colors appear in the resulting rainbow? The options are 5, 6, 7, 8. The correct answer is 7. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's move to the next one. Plants don't eat sandwiches. What is the name of the process they use to turn sunlight into food? The options are respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, fermentation. The answer is photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. Here is the next one. If you wanted to visit the planet closest to the sun, where would you be heading? Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. And the answer is Mercury. Despite being closest to the sun, it's actually the second hottest planet. Venus is first. Get ready for the next one. Everything you see is made of stuff. What are the tiny building blocks that make up all matter? Cells, molecules, atoms, genes. The correct answer is atoms. Atoms are the basic units of matter and the defining structure of elements. Here is the next. Take a deep breath. You might think it's mostly oxygen, but which gas actually makes up 78% of our air? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. The answer is nitrogen. Oxygen only makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere. The next question is, deep beneath our feet, the Earth is boiling hot. What do we call energy harnessed from this internal heat? Solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy. The answer is geothermal energy. Geo means earth and thermal means heat. Get ready for this one. When your cold soda bottle gets sweaty on a hot day, water vapor is turning into liquid. This is called condensation, evaporation, melting, freezing. The answer is condensation. This is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. Let's check the next one. In physics, whether you're slamming a door or pulling a wagon, any push or pull on an object is known as velocity, speed, force, work. The correct answer is force. A force is an interaction that, when unopposed, will change the motion of an object. Here's the next question. Why is it harder to slide a box over carpet than over smooth ice? It's all thanks to this resistant force. Gravity, magnetism, friction, momentum. The answer is friction. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. Let's move to the next one. If you see a piece of jewelry stamped with the chemical symbol Au, what precious metal are you looking at? Gold, silver, platinum, titanium. The correct answer is gold. Au comes from the Latin word for gold, aurum. Here's the next question. If a giant explosion happened in outer space, what would a nearby astronaut hear? A deafening roar? A high-pitched whistle? Absolutely nothing? A dull thud. The answer is absolutely nothing. Sound needs air or another medium to travel. Space is a vacuum. Let's check this one. In biology, which part of the cell contains the DNA and acts as the control center? Mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell wall, nucleus. The answer is nucleus. The nucleus contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. Our last question is, if you moved from Earth to the Moon, which of your measurements would change significantly? Mass, weight, height, density. The correct answer is weight. Your mass stays the same, but because the Moon has less gravity, your weight would be about 1/6 of what it is on Earth. Great job on the first 15. Now it's time for your bonus question. I won't give you the answer to this one. I want to see your answers in the comments below. Dry ice, solid carbon dioxide, doesn't melt into a puddle. It turns directly from a solid into a gas. This process is called what? Evaporation, condensation, sublimation, melting. So, how did you do? Did you get all 15 right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to leave your answer to our bonus question about the cold metal. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit bell icon for more deep dives into the science of our everyday lives. Thanks for watching and stay curious.